Hello teachers, today I'm going to show you how to grade a Google form. So when you've made your Google form, there's one crucial step that you must do before sending it out. In the upper right hand corner, you need to click the gear icon, that's the settings icon. Go ahead and click that, and now you have settings options. From here, there's three tabs up at the top, right below the word settings. You want to click on quizzes, so I'm going to go over to quizzes, I'm going to click on it. Now I need to make this a quiz, so I need to click on the make this a quiz option. I'm going to toggle it on. And this means that I have now assigned point values to questions, and it allows for auto grading of multiple choice. So I want to make sure to hit save down at the bottom. And now this is officially a quiz that I can grade. So I'm in one question here, a multiple choice question, and now I have an answer key button. I'm going to go ahead and click on answer key. And then I'm going to answer the question. Is this Google Forms? Yes. I'm going to assign this as 1 point over to the right. You could do as many points as you want. I'm going to do 1 point. Notice in the upper right hand corner, this section here, it keeps a running total of the amount of points your entire Google form is worth. So now for add answer feedback, it's a great option. I'm going to click on that. Now for incorrect answers, I'll say try again. You could write anything you want there. For correct answers, good job. And make sure that you hit save. I don't think I hit save for the incorrect answers. You could even attach YouTube videos or files to their feedback, which is great because imagine if a student gets a question wrong and then you have a YouTube video reteaching them a specific part of that lesson. So it's an excellent option. So now there's answer feedback, and I've assigned 1 point to this. Now what is 5 plus 5? I'm going to go ahead and click answer key again. I'm going to answer it 10. This is worth 1 point. I'm not going to do answer feedback this time. I'm going to click done. Then at the bottom, this is a short answer. Now short answers, there's really not going to be much of a key that you can make. You can write in specific words or phrases, but the problem is the students will need to type that in exactly. So I usually don't even deal with that, because to add a correct answer here, how are you? I would have to think of so many different things I could put in. Good, another correct answer, fine, right? It would be a number of things. Plus they have to spell it right. Plus, they have to have even capitalization correct as well. So I usually don't even grade short answers like that. So I'm going to go ahead and unclick those. Now, I'm just going to assign point values instead, and then I'll grade that one manually. So I'll assign this as being worth 8 points. So now I have a running total up at the top of 10 points, and I'm going to click done. Now, one thing that I like to do as well is make every question required, because that way students cannot skip it and they at least have to guess and they know that they have to do that question. So now I'm going to show you what it'll look like on the response side when you're going to grade a student. When you go into your Google form where you can edit everything, you're going to see how many responses you have up at the top. You have a questions tab and a responses. So you can see that I have one response because I just filled out this form for myself. So I'm going to click on responses, and here is where you're going to get the summary of everybody's questions, what they got wrong, averages, medians, ranges, helpful information, or you can go to the tab that says individual, and you can see and cycle through how many people have completed this quiz and what they got. So here you can see that this person got this question right, but they got 5 plus 5 wrong. And then the how are you, notice it's marked as wrong, but again, that's because we didn't have a specific answer that we can do. So we're just going to manually enter in the score here. And he answered it. I am okay. That's a correct answer. So I'm going to give him the full 8 points and then hit save. And then his score is going to update. So short answers and longer answers need to be manually overridden, but multiple choice questions can be auto graded.